or something. Do it again. I'm sorry.
It pushed a button.
I did.
Oh.
Whatever.
I think he's done. Sorry.
Come on, play with Daddy. Hit the ball with Daddy. Hit the ball with Daddy. Show Dada how you do it. Show Dada. Yeah, have Daddy help you.
Okay.
Ready? Ready? Let's go.
Here we go. Ready? Hold it like that. Jailboy. There you go.
Yay!
Ready? Ready? Go.
Yeah. Let's see.
Ready? The elbow up. Ready?
Yeah. That's pretty cute.
Ready? Ready? Here's the pitch.
Yay!
Curveball. Oh! Look at this. Ready? Go. Yay!
Pretty cute.
Yeah!
Yeah, good job.
Do it again. Hit it.
Hit it. Yay!
Is it still recording?
Yep.
Here we go.
Here you go. Hit the ball. Uh-oh. No.
There you go. Hit the ball.
Don't hit Sarah. Hit the ball.
Either hit the ball or Sarah. Either one.
Hi, Sarah. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Nice little Zach. Woo! Come on, go hit the ball.
Hit the ball.
Go hit the ball.
Come on, let's hit the ball again. Ready? And the pitch. Yay!
Yay!
Here we go. And the pitch.
Yay!